All right, last set. We just need a gold. Just one gold. Just one gold. Yes, 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 yes. Skip. I don't. Okay, okay. Just, that's. I asked for one gold and that's what I got. So you know what? Bless me. $100 PUBG case opening. We're going for the Neon Dream AUG, and I'm hoping that we could actually pull it today. We have 60 contraband crates that we're going to be opening. We also have Mr. Caden. He's going to be opening his own crates. I think I don't know for sure. I think he's either going to go with these, the black market loot caches. You did? You did? All right, so we're kind of testing something right now, which is kind of clean. So he's opening, how many? You're opening 55, right?
No.
27? Wait, 49?
Yeah. I'm not paying the extra $25.
What the fuck? All right, so we're still technically testing. It's only four minus crates, anyways. So he's gonna be opening the loot caches, and I'm gonna be opening the actual contraband cases. Hey guys, if you want to see Caden open up all of his 55 cases, go over to my Twitch. It's linked in the description under this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitch, guys. It helps me out so much, and it helps bring us more people into our chat and even our live streams. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, like this video. It'll tell me you guys want more of this content. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the video. All right, bro. Opening that shit. 3, 2, 1. Gold animation. What? Nah, I don't even care, bro. I really don't even care. Not a single gold. Did I have this already? I think I did. None of this is good, bro. I already had all of this, bro. None of this is good. Please, please, bro. The second 20 cases cannot, like, there's no chance, bro. 20 cases, there's gonna be at least one gold, right? And let me hear it. Let me hear. I think I heard a gold. I heard a gold. Wait, no, I heard a gold. How many though? Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, bro. There's no fucking way I just got 3 golds. Bro, there's no chance. That just made up. Alright, dude. Holy shit. Alright, wait. Alright, the grays, I don't give a fuck, bro. The silvers, they could be decent. What are they? Gold-plated SKS, I think I already had that. Yeah, I already had all this. Bro, oh my god. Kaden, you think it's a progressive, bro?
I hope so.
Oh, please, bro. Please be a progressive skin, dude. All right. I want to see the animation so bad. Which one do I open first? Left, right, or bottom?
Left.
Oh my god, I already had that, dude. I already had that. I didn't even know that was in this case, bro. I literally didn't even know that was in this case. All right, which one? Bottom or top? You know what? I can't complain about a schematic, because if this next one is a progressive skin, I'm leveling that bitch up right now, bro. Give it to me.
Double. Back to back. Get fucked.
Nah, PUBG's fucking with me, right? PUBG's fucking with me, right?
Hell yeah, it's fucking with you.
Nah, PUBG's fucking with me, right?
Oh, I got a dope ass trench coat.
Nah, PUBG's fucking with me, right? Nah, this is crazy, bro. This is actually, nah, grab my titties, squeeze the milk out of them right now, because I swear to God, I'm getting real horny right now. This is fucking crazy.
What did he say?
Nah, this is fucking wild, bro. This is fucking wild. I'm opening my next 10 right now, and I'm getting 3 golds right now to make up for what just happened.
That's not it.
Yes! How many? Multiple.
More important than pain.
Okay, just one, please.
Is the impulse that's rising within me.
Please, bro, like, on everything, please.
Violent, welling up from within.
Okay. This is the only thing that matters. I don't even care. I'm not even looking.
See. This.
Wait! Stop! Stop!
You actually got it? Damn.
We're only 30 in. We're only 30 in. Oh my, bro, actually. Dude, I'm actually so happy, bro. You don't understand, dude. All right, dude, I'm shaking right now, dude. Like, holy fuck, bro. All right, we got 30 more. We got 30 more. Dude, if we go to more details, go to the probability. Look, this is what we want now. We want this right here. If you look at the probability, this is the rarest item you could get in this case. 0.4% chance. Bro, if we get that, we have 30 more tries. We have 30 more tries, bro. We have to get that, right? We got the black and gold on the buzzkill, so dude, I feel like we have a chance. Easy. All right, 40 cases in. Let's get it. No way, dude. Another gold. I have no audio too. I have zero audio. I can't even hear you guys. Please, multiple golds. Oh my god, it's 2 golds. It's 2 golds. I can't hear anything, though. I can't hear anything. All right, let's see. We got audio? Yeah. All right, we're back. All right. I don't give a fuck about anything else, dude. I just care about the golds. Left or right, Caden? I think he's AFK. All right, we're gonna go right first. You guys ready? Please give me the chroma. Give me the chroma. Give me the chroma. Okay, schematic. I'll take that. But give me the chroma. Oh my gosh, yo. All right, we're getting crazy schematics though. I really can't complain that we're getting crazy schematics. I just want the chroma, dude. I want, like, the chroma would be insane. The chroma would be insane. I honestly, but I'm still happy, dude. No matter what, I'm still happy. I got the progressive skin. All right, here we go. 50 cases in. Boom. Please, gold animation? No gold animation. That is probably the roughest thing you will ever see. That is probably the roughest thing you'll ever see. This is the last. I think this is, yeah, this is the last try. All right, last try. 10 cases. Please, we just need 1 more gold and we need that chroma. Here we go. Oh my god, it's a gold, bro. Please, multiple. Please, like, give me at least 3. Or 2. I'll take 2. Oh, okay. See, I got too greedy. See, this is why you don't ask for more, bro. You know that's okay. You know why? Because this is the chroma right here. Fuck. Dude, we actually have 10 more. Did we count wrong? I think I counted wrong. Well, yeah, I counted wrong. Yeah, we're 60 in now. I fucking counted wrong. This is the last try. What am I doing? Wait, no, I'm looking at my BP, bro. Yeah, I shouldn't be on PUBG right now. What am I doing? Oh, dude. Bro. I wanted the chroma so bad, dude. A 0.4% chance. Like, I got the black and gold variant of the buzzkill, bro. That's crazy. You know what? No, I'm not even mad. Why? What am I doing, bro? I'm not even mad. I got the progressive skin. Like, dude, I actually, that's what I wanted, that over the chroma. Like, that, I'm happy as f, bro.
Are you sure about that?
If I got the chroma, I wouldn't even be able to use it because I wouldn't have the progressive skin. Holy shit, we actually got the progressive skin. So we have 400 more G coins. What would get us to 1800? All right, 20 more cases. We're opening a total of 80 cases today. 20 more cases. Can we get the chroma? If not, can we get some more schematics? Can we get any more golds? Please, dude, it is a chance that we will get 0 golds out of these 20 cases, but please, I don't think that's gonna happen. We need at least schematics. At least schematics. We need a lot of schematics. That's all we need. Literally all we need. That or the chroma. The chroma would be insane. 20 cases. Here we go. We got the first 10. Let's get it. Ah, dude, no, I jinxed it, bro. I jinxed it. Alright. Last set. We just need a gold. Just 1 gold. Just 1 gold. Yes. Skip. I don't. Okay. Just, that's. I asked for 1 gold and that's what I got. So you know what? Bless me. Holy shit! Holy balls! Holy shit! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, PUBG, bro, you're the best. You're the best video game. The best video game. You take all of my money. Oh my god, bro. There's no chance. Bro. There's no chance that we actually just got this, right? Oh my god, I asked for. This is why you don't be greedy. Do never be greedy, bro. Never be greedy. Only ask for what you need. Holy Christ, this is so good. What? No, dude, that's insane. That's actually insane. No, that's actually insane. No, I actually can't comprehend that the last opportunity and we got it, bro. Why is it locked? Okay, that's right. That progressives always show up locked because you can't salvage them, you can't scrap them, you can't get rid of them. They're basically in your inventory forever, and I don't care, bro. Stay in my inventory and stay there, bro. What does it mean by unlock preview? Oh my gosh, it's so good. Wait, it's so good. Why am I more excited about this one than I was with the trick or treat one? I don't know why. Do I like this one more? I might like this one more. Honestly, it's got an animation. Like, off rip, you pick this gun up, it already has an animation. Like, look at that. It already has an animation right there. Dude, and then oh my, and then we can't even talk, bro, weapons acquired. Oh my gosh, look at this. We have 3 progressive skins now. We have 3 progressive skins. And then if we go to this one, oh my gosh, dude, we got the pink variant of the AUG, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Nah, bro, I don't even, now, okay, now I'm lost. Now I'm very lost. Now I'm actually super lost right now. I'm confused. Do I upgrade the AUG or do I upgrade the M4? Do I upgrade the AUG or do I upgrade the M4? Dude, because now it's going to take so much money to just upgrade the weapons. But I mean, we have what? We have 4 schematics. We have this. This is going to take 3 schematics to get this. It starts glowing. I think that's going to be the smarter move for us. Like, level 2 gives us the stat track, which is actually really nice, dude. The stat track is kind of crazy, actually, on level 2. Getting a stat track on level 2 is actually nuts. What is this? And you get the inspection level 3. Okay, so level 4 is where it starts to get a little interesting. I say we're going to go pumpkin because the AUG is already animated. So this is just smarter. And this is just so much smarter. And I say we finish 1 progressive at a time. So we need to get scrap. We're missing like a lot of scrap, actually. But I think we should be able to get that scrap if we go ahead and go to our DMRs, dude. Look at how many Neon Dream and what are these called? Freaking M14s, mini 14s. That's what it is. We'll salvage all of this. Oh yeah, dude, get rid of all of this shit, bro. I don't need any of this. Salvage. Hopefully that wasn't the one with the kills on it. I did not think about checking that, actually. Oops. I already know I got skins for all that. Let's go to the big weapons here. Okay, now we definitely have enough. Wait, our M4 is about to look so cool now. What about this? We never looked at our other progressive. Because we leveled this one up too to level 2. What's level 3? Oh, the kill tracker. Oh wait, we get the back on this at level 4. But the animation, like this is what we need on this gun. This animation part right there, dude. We need that. That's what makes this gun stand out a lot. Let's upgrade it. This is gonna cost us 3 schematics. We'll have 1 extra, which is nice. But here we go. Level 3 on the M4, the Trick or Treat M4. Let's fucking go, dude. And the pumpkin's gonna glow now. What's the backside look like? Dude. Okay, yeah, this is clean. What's Max? Yeah, see, Max got the flames glowing and everything. Dude, Max is crazy. But even level 3, bro. Here we go. Oh my gosh, dude. It even feels so rewarding clicking that and just seeing that animation. I gotta see my fucking new progressive skins, dude. This is insane. This is the time we find the AUG right here. This map right here. Dude, I'm actually so excited to see what it looks like. Where's my fucking AUG at, dude? I'm not playing no games. Where's my AUG at? Not the skin I want to see right now. Oh my gosh. Bro, it looks so good when I pulled it out. I don't know why, but I saw so much pink. I saw so much pink. Oh my god. Dude, this is the sexiest progressive skin we have. Oh, wait. Nah, this is insane. Dude, we're gonna have to use the AUG so much more now. Yo! The animation. Yo, and the color. Dude, this took us so long to find, guys. It took us a couple games to get to it, but we finally found it. And guys, it is, bro, I cannot believe we unboxed this today. We unboxed so much. We unboxed everything we needed. Look, we have both of our skins right here. Look, this is actually perfect. We got both of them. I wonder if we could get them in different lighting and stuff. So here we got, all right, we got both of our skins. This is crazy. We got the Trick or Treat M4. Oh my, dude. The pumpkin glowing is nuts. And then the AUG, the Chroma variant of the progressive Neon Dream AUG. Look at that. Look at that. That looks insane, guys. That, dude. The color is so nice, too. Like, the color is so nice. And the animation, just, like, the animation is nuts. And it actually shows up a lot. Like, as you're playing, like, look, you can see it. You can actually see it as I'm moving around. Wait, where'd it go? Like, right there. Like, when I'm getting ready to aim, like, you can actually see it. Like, as you're playing, like, you're soft aiming, you can see this shit. That is so cool, bro. Like, this is... Look at these skins. That is look at these skins, dude. Look at that. Wow, it even looks better in this, dude. Like, just looking at our character with it on. Wow. Hold on. I want to look at this. Graphics. Advanced. We'll try high for now. Ultra? Oh my gosh. We're running ultra. Okay. Let's look at it. Dude, the scope already looks so shiny. Yo, this... What? Bro, I need to be playing on Ultra. Wait, this shit looks fucking beautiful. Why does it look this insane? What about the M4? Oh my... The lighting! What? This is actually insane how good this looks. Oh, look at that. 2 cases right there, too. Alright, 2 cases. If we get another Goldie, that's, like, imagine. Schematic would be nice. What's our luck today? Wait, there's no way I just opened a single... Guys, this is insane. No, this is insane.